Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you through a day in my life. We started out this Saturday by grabbing lunch at our favorite spot, which is Chick-fil-A. I know all Chick-fil-A's are great, but I like to think ours is the best. They always have fun kids nights, and this line can be out the parking lot, yet we make it through in under 10 minutes. Plus, their customer service is always on point. From there, we headed to Walmart to pick out paint. All we knew was that we wanted our room to be gray, but we had no idea what shade, nor did we bring home swatches to check it out. Painting our bedroom was a last-minute idea this week as we're having a headboard made and realized that we probably should paint before having that installed. So here we are. Started on our room around 3 p.m. and knew I'd only have about an hour and a half to work at first because we had a birthday party to go to for one of Liam's friends. As you guys can see, my hair didn't stay down long, even though I had just done it that morning. This ended up being one of the warmest days we've had this year so far, and we are trying to avoid turning our air conditioning on because the weather's been so up and down. So let me tell you, it was hot in our second-story bedroom. As you can also see, our bed is a beast to move, so we used the adjusting feature to get it out of the way just enough that I could paint behind there. And that was loads of fun too. Finally, I was about halfway finished with the room and it was time to head to the birthday party. This local trampoline park opened just a few months ago and Liam loves it. Here's a cute little shot of Liam and the birthday boy in yellow doing their favorite Fortnite dances as they wait to get in the dodgeball area. I love these places so much. I love jumping on a trampoline as a kid. Heck, I want to join him now, so getting to see him enjoy this so much brings a smile to my face. And let's face it, it tires him out at the end of the night. This trampoline park also has an awesome ninja course, and we are huge fans of American Ninja Warrior. Near the end of the party here, they turned off the lights and turned on their black lights and a huge disco ball, and the kids went nuts. Once the party was over, it was time for my husband and I to grab something for dinner, so we hit a local food truck that we had been looking forward to all week. We ended up getting a duck quesadilla and lobster mac and cheese, and guys, they were both amazing. I wish I had gotten a video of them. And last but not least, it was back to painting to finally finish the room for the night. I think I finished around 10 o'clock that night, which is not bad. I had actually planned on this taking 2 days, so it's awesome that I got it done in one. You see, we finally opened the windows when we got home. It was really hot in this room, y'all. That's it, guys. Here's the finished product. I did get this the next day for better lighting, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I am planning on doing a bedroom tour once we get some other stuff done, so let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested in that, and I will see you guys next weekend. Bye!